Okay guys, we got these packages. This is unboxing video packages. We got from here. This is the data, should be like this. As we open this is unboxing video. I'm using a new cutter. Let's find the edge of the packages. Oh, I see. Okay, let's open the packages. We could find the edge of these packages. I hope they not make a wrong series. Oh, that's good. This is the items and I think it's right. Okay, let's bring the item up. Open again. Good. Okay, this is the items. Poof. I push from behind. Make the out. Okay, this is for Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Doraemon. This is for my phone Huawei Nova 3i. Okay, Doraemon. And this is for Mate 20 Pro. This phone. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, good. So the case is arrived. This is for Mate 20 Pro 2, but this is a condition, is a branded. Looks like a branded phone. Okay, this is for this phone. Thank you for watching.